Hello everyone, this problem has been asked in GATE 2013 and the weightage is of 2 marks. GATE 2013 and this problem is of 2 marks. So let us see the problem. The problem is that the impulse response of a continuous time system is given by ht is equal to del t minus 1 plus del t minus 3. The value of a step response at t is equal to 2 is, and the options are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So clearly this problem is from the control system subject, you can say. And so if you want to have a detailed concept regarding this problem, you can refer this NPTEL lecture System Response Part 1, and the course name is Control Systems by Professor C. A. Shankar Ram, Department of Engineering Design, IIT Madras, and the YouTube link is also shown over here. So let us solve this problem. So before we solve this problem, let us have a knowledge about the impulse response and a step response. The impulse response of a system is the output of system when the input is an impulse and all the initial conditions are zero. On the other hand, a step response of a system is the output of the system when the input is a step and all the initial conditions are zero. So one thing, if you know that, you can also write one point is that a step response is nothing but it is the integral of impulse response. It is the integral of impulse response. So we are going to use this concept and we will solve this problem. So we are given with the impulse response. Impulse response is given as ht equal to del t minus 1 plus del t minus 3, and we know that a step response, for a step response, impulse response can be integrated. For a step response, impulse response can be integrated. So for this function del t minus 1, if you do the integration, if you do the integration of this one, del t minus 1 dt, then it will give you unit response, unit function, a step input in unit function, unit step function. And for this function also, for this impulse function del t minus 3, this will give you unit step function. Therefore, if you write the step response, that is integration of impulse response, then it will come as yt equal to ut minus 1 plus ut minus 3. So this is the unit step response we got. Now in this problem, they have told you to find the impulse response at t is equal to 2. So that means y2 equal to u2 minus 1 will be 1, 1 plus u minus 1. So this will give you u1 is 1, and since for negative values this unit step output is 0. The output of unit step function is 0. Therefore, you will get 1 as the answer. Now let us discuss some other way. If you got this function that unit step response, then you can also make the waveform of yt. So yt equal to, so let us divide it as 1, 2 and 3. So this yt is ut minus 1 plus ut minus 3. So before t less than 1, it will be its value is 0, and at t is equal to 1, this has 1, this has unit step output like this, and t is equal to 3, 1 unit step function more added. So this will become like this. So this value is 1 and this value is 2. So in this problem, they have told you to find the output of unit step function at t is equal to 2. Therefore, here we can see that at t is equal to 2, its output is 1. If they told you to find the output at t is equal to 4, then its value is 2. From this graph, you can say. And if they told you to, so after t is equal to 3, you will get the value as 2. This is the one way. Another way is that you can also find the a step response using the convolution. We know that the convolution of a signal is convolution of signal is yt is equal to xt by t is equal to impulse response into the input. St convolution xt. So st is given and xt is ut. Therefore, just put these values. St is given as impulse, that is impulse response, del t minus 3 convolution, and xt is ut. So you will get ut minus 1 plus ut minus 3. Therefore, the required value of y2 is u2 minus 1 plus u2 minus 3, that is u1 plus u minus 1. We know that u1 is 1 and u minus 1. For negative input, the output of a step input function is 0. So correct answer will be 1. So either way you can get the answer. Now we will match with the options, and here we can see that only one option is matching, that is B. So B is the correct answer. That's all. Thank you.